Did you know that waterfalls are nature's sculptors, constantly reshaping our planet? These stunning natural wonders form when rivers flow over resistant bedrock and then crash onto softer rock below. The softer rock erodes much faster, creating an increasingly dramatic drop over thousands of years. Here's something fascinating. Scientists have a specific rule for what counts as a true waterfall. The horizontal distance between where the water leaves the cliff and where it lands must be no more than 25% of the waterfall's height. Otherwise, it might just be classified as rapids or a cascade. Waterfalls aren't just beautiful, they're also powerful barriers. Throughout history, they've blocked river navigation and shaped how civilizations developed. But humans have always been drawn to them anyway, making pilgrimages to witness their majesty. In many cultures, waterfalls are considered sacred sites. So next time you see a waterfall, remember you're watching millions of years of geological history in action, one thundering drop at a time.